everyone, this is Nikita Nyati in first year LLM at Department of Law, Pune University, and I'm going to tell you about the admission process and how I get my admission here. So basically, there is a CCEP portal in which you have to register first. You have to upload your documents. So when you upload those documents, such as 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, and if you are currently in final year of LLB or BLLB, then you need to upload a last exam which you qualified. Like when I was appearing, I have uploaded my ninth semester mark sheet and to show that I have cleared all the semesters. And this basic documents which will qualify you for the respected courses. And after that, you will have that drop down list in which you can apply. And then I have got the option of to apply for LLM. And I have applied there and I have paid a certain amount of fees that is approximately 800 or 900 between that. And that fees were paid for the entrance exam. You have to constantly check your CCEP portal that whether the hall ticket has been generated or not. And once the hall ticket is generated, it has your login ID and password. When the date of exam is scheduled, you just have to put your login ID, password. Exam is CBT based. You can take your exam from your own home with better connectivity of internet. Make sure that, because if internet is going to be the issue, then that exam would be fully wasted because you can be barred and you can not have the opportunity to rejoin it after your connection is failed. They have merit list system. Now today itself they have almost 5 merit list, and for open category, if you have a good maths, you can come here, else there is no chance. But you need to score well, and it's not that tough exams. Whatever you have studied in your 5-year, 3-year courses, that is all into the exam syllabus. And questions are pretty much easy. One can easily crack it. That's it from my side. And thank you so much for seeing this video.